Birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka!
Have a great day.
Happy birthday! May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday, God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan ang inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday.
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Enjoy your life and be happy always.
Happy birthday, Kuya Abet. Thank you sa mga pagtulong mo sa akin. And thank you sa laging pagbigay ng 100. I miss you. Ang tagal natin hindi nakikita. Enjoy your day, Kuya Abet.
Hello, Kuya Abet. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. Enjoy your day. Thank you. I wish more racket. More blessings. More blessings. I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Oy, Bet! Shoutout sa'yo. Birthday mo pala ngayon. Yan, may babati pa sa'yo dito. Happy birthday bago kami matulog. Ang lakas talaga ng kaibigan mo sa amin eh. Kahit 2 a.m. na, nagbo-birthday shoutout pa kami sa'yo. So, enjoy your day, enjoy your night pala, o umaga.
Happy birthday, Abet! Chill ka lang today. Pengi kaming kape.
Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Bye!
Ayan. And happy birthday, Kuya! Isa ako sa naatasan na bumati sa'yo. Actually, hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Pero hindi. Anyway, hindi ko natanong kung ilang taon ka na. Pero kasi nung bata pa lang ako ganyan na itsura mo. Tumanda na kami, ikaw hindi pa. Ayun lang, happy birthday po. Saksi kami ni Ate Abby sa sobrang dedicated din yung mag-asawa sa trabaho. And nakikita naman yun ng Panginoong Diyos natin. So, laban lang sa buhay. And wish ko lang huwag kang magsasawa na mag-post ng funny kasi kung kailangan ko mag-subscribe sa'yo, magsusubscribe ako. Ayun po, happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Abet, happy birthday. Dalangin ko ngayong birthday mo na sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad, lahat ng nais ng puso mo ay mangyari. Mag-ingat ka lagi. God bless, and again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maring Abet. Wish all you the best. Good luck. Malayo na yung narating mo. Malayo pa yung mararating mo. Sama mo naman ako sa tupad mo. Good luck. Ingat lagi. Happy birthday.
Pre, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. At stay the same dahil yan ang dahilan kung bakit mahal ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo. So, happy birthday ulit and good luck sa buhay.
Pre, maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Stay foggy. Alam mo na yun. Sa darating din ng araw, mariregaloan kita ng Chicago na jersey. Ayun, pare. Happy birthday. Ingat palagi. Love you.
Hi, Panji! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in life and sana matupad lahat ng gusto niyo ni Mau together. I hope to see you soon. Say happy birthday, Tito Abed.
Happy birthday, Tita Abed. Opo.
Birthday mo daw, kapatid! Happy birthday sa'yo! Mag-ingat ka parati, putang ina mo ka! At hindi mo minsan nalalaman na tatanga-tanga ka at magsilbi ka! Ha? Magsilbi ka sa mga tarantadong nag-alaga sa'yo, ha? Putang ina mo ka, mahalin mo ang buhay mo at ayusin mo ang iyong sarili nang marating mo ang pangarap mo. Kung hindi mo gagawin ang pagtitino, putang ina mo ka. Ito na ang huling birthday mo, putang ina mo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.